Create a new file. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels, but you can also use a different file size. Select the horizontal type tool and type your text. Press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the text. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Make the top text layer invisible and select the bottom text layer. Make each letter a different color. Select the Move tool. Press Ctrl+T. Rotate the text 45 degrees. Hold Alt and press the arrow down key to make the text longer. Continue this until the text is long enough. Select all the text layers, except the top one. Merge the layers. Press Ctrl+T. Rotate the text -45 degrees. Make the top text layer visible again. Align the colored text with the other text. Select both the text layers and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the entire text. And that's how you create a multicolored long text.